Now, this matter may kindly be closed.
You are for the petitioner.
I am the petitioner.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has already got the petitioners have already got the relief, and therefore the matter may be closed. In view of above, the contempt petition stands closed.
Master.
May I pray, Lordship? Lordship, with respect to item number 53 of today's list, Lordship, I need to file a short affidavit. I am for the petitioner. Lordship, the order has been partially complied, but there is no full compliance. So, Lordship, may I be permitted to bring it on record by way of an affidavit? I'll seek just 1 week time.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, a week's time is granted for filing additional affidavit to bring on record the up-to-date status of the case.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item 45, my lord. Item 45. May come, my lord, on 30th of September, my lord.
45.
Yes.
All right. And the prayer of Mr. B. Prokastya, learned counsel for the petitioner. List the matter again on 30th of September 2024.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, with the due consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 38, Lordship. This matter, Lordship, may be taken up on my lord next week, my lord, on Tuesday, ma'am.
Next week, your lordship, we have some difficulty, your lordship. Since your lordship, it will be better if it comes immediately after vacation, your lordship.
Lordship, that, my lord, I have objection, serious objection, my lord.
No, your lordship, he is taking time.
Lordship,
He is
Lordship will
objecting.
kindly see,
On a particular day of the matter is listed, he expresses urgency. Now the matter is listed, he said.
my lord, absolutely not, my lord. If your lordship sees the, my lord, the case orders, my lord. My lord will fix it on the next week, my lord.
Next
My
week
lord
we
will
have
kindly see
difficulty.
order dated 24/6/2024.
Also complete.
Lordship will kindly see 24, order dated
Mr.
24/6.
Pukan, what is the difficulty today?
My
You
lord,
do it today.
Then, my lord, Lordship will then, my lord, today some person have a matter fixed in a different court, my lord. So, my lord, if it is Tuesday or, my lord, Thursday, I request your lordship.
After the vacation, your lord.
No, that will be two listing, my lord. We have urgency because, my lord.
Immediately on reopening day, your
No, my lord.
lordship
That
will
will be,
fix
my
it.
lord. I have serious objections to that, my lord.
Then yes,
My lord, not.
let the matter reach.
Let it reach
Then
there.
let it reach, my lord. Then let it reach.
All right.
Then let it reach.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
Along with the consent of the other side, I would like to mention item number 21. The arguing counsel is having some difficulties, Your Lordship.
Who is the arguing counsel?
Mr. K. Talukdar, Your Lordship.
Okay. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
After vacation.
It's okay, Your Lordship.
All right. The arguing counsel, Mr. K. Talukdar, is said to have some personal difficulties to appear before the court today. Stop on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. List the matter again after the ensuing puja vacation.
Yes, sir. Much obliged.
Yes.
May please, I beg
Yes.
to mention item number 16. Matter may be taken up after 1 week, my lord.
You are for the,
Petitioner, my lord.
why do you want adjournment?
Lord, Vibra will appear, he will, to its station.
Your good name?
And Borua,
So Mr. Burgohain is leading the case.
Aye.
Difficulty has been expressed on behalf of Mr. B. Burgohain, learned counsel, who is leading the matter by Mr. N. Borwa, learned counsel for the petitioner. On a prayer made on his behalf, matter stands adjourned for a week.
next week,
1 week.
1 week.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing or WBC, lordship.
When was it last listed?
Lasted on 24/7/2020.
July.
Yes, lordship. It
You have
was
it,
supposed to be listed after
what-
4 weeks, but
What is the urgency?
lordship, I am a service holder of 108 emergency vehicle.
Pleadings are complete?
Yes, lordship.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes. No, lordship, it is admission matter.
It may be admission matter, but pleadings are complete means whether counter affidavit has been filed.
No, lordship, it was, your honor, it was order to issue notice.
25th. We'll have it on 25th.
No, lordship, it was not listed.
We get it listed on 25th. Ah, yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 of today's list, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we need to file our reply, Lordship.
Lordship, I seek some time to file.
How much time
2 weeks, Lordship.
as paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner? 2 weeks' time is granted for filing rejoinder affidavit.
Much.
Item 1, follow no steps.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. It is seen that the petitioner has failed to take steps. For serving notice upon respondent number 5. Matter stands dismissed for default.
If I appear on behalf of respondent 1 and 2.
Interim order stands vacated.
I appear for respondent numbers 3 and 4.
I for respondent 1 and
Mr. D.
J. Henry.
J. Hendrick, learned counsel appears for.
Extended counsel revenue. Respondent 1 and 2. Lord.
Appears for respondent number 1 and 2, while Mr. D. Bora, learned state counsel appears for respondent number 3 and 4.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, by today, is we are taking steps. So kindly take up this matter after 3 weeks.
When you'll take steps?
When will you take?
When you'll take steps?
By today itself.
Your good name?
P. Hajong.
P. Hajong.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. P. Hajong, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that she will take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7 during the course of the day. In view of above, let steps be taken. Registry to list the case again after 3 weeks.
One, this is an IF for the impleading of an opposite party number 3. Assam Gramin because the party in this case, my lord.
You are the petitioner.
I am the petitioner, my lord. What has happened, my lord? Initially, my lord, respondent 1 and 2 bank, my lord. It has been amalgamated, my lord, with the Assam Gramin because bank, my lord. So now a single entity, my lord.
Any objection?
I have no objection. Instead of impleading, it has to be substitution because Langpi, Dehangpi, the original respondent 1 and 2 no longer exists. So a thing which no longer exists cannot be kept on record because that entity is no longer there. Since 1/4/2019, the present respondent number 1 and 2 bank has been merged, amalgamated with the Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. So as of today, my lord, instead of Langpi, Dehangpi, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank needs to come on record. That is the only thing. But instead of impleading, lordship may direct substitution.
My lord, I think my lord, impleading will be better, my lord, because I have challenged the memorandum of charge, my lord, after my retirement, my lord. All those shoppers and everything has been issued by Langpi Dehangpi Bank, my lord.
Okay, this Assam Gramin Bank has merged with whom?
My lord,
Respondent number 1 and 2, which now no longer exists. Langpi, Dehangpi.
It merged, my lord, now, my lord.
Well, after merger, it no longer exists. My learned friend, there is no such quantity.
I think it's only a technical issue.
Yes, my lord.
Then,
Art,
my lord, I
Mr.
can only appear for Gramin. There is no Langpi, Dehangpi, my lord. We will have to make that position has to be made clear. Because there is in law, there no such body exists now. It's a simple principle of amalgamation. Lordships are aware.
No.
This entity has ceased to exist with effect from 1/4/2019. As of now, my lord, the wakalatnama that I am holding on behalf of Langpi, my lord, even that is, my lord, erroneous in my humble submission. Because there is no such body.
Okay, so anyway, we'll impede this Assam Gramin Bank, Vikas Bank. You accept notice?
Yes, I'll accept notice for the
Yes, heard Mr.
G. Alam, my lord.
G. Alam, learned counsel for the applicant stroke writ petitioner who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks impleadment of Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. To stop, the learned counsel submits that the Langpi Dehangi Rural Bank has merged with Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, and therefore it has become necessary to implead Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. Next para, considering the submission, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank is allowed to be impleaded as respondent number 3. IS stands disposed of as allowed. Then in the main writ petition, right, in view of the order passed today in IAC number 2712 of 2024, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, represented by its chairman, be impleaded as respondent number 3. Stop. Petitioner to submit the amended cost title in 2 sets before the registry of this court within 3 days. Next para, issue notice to the newly impleaded respondent number 3, returnable by 4 weeks. Mr.
I'll take notice.
Your good name?
Yes. On behalf of the newly impleted
Your
respondent.
good name?
A. Ganguly.
Mr. A. Ganguly, Learned Counsel, accepts notice on behalf of the newly impleaded respondent number 3. As such, no formal notice will be required. Petitioner shall serve copy of the writ petition with amended cost title to Mr. Ganguly within 3 days. List the matter again after 4 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Petition item numbers 4, 5, and 6.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly peruse order dated 15/5/2024, Lordship. Herein,
Order dated
15/5/2024, Lordship.
Answer nahi. Vacancy की और deputy
Lordship, these incumbents are seeking promotion, Lordship. They're working in the forensic science department and
so instruction was sought for. What is the
Our
instruction?
instruction also, for vacancy position, the total strength of deputy director is 9, Lordship. Right now 2 is there, Lordship. Vacancy is there for promotion.
How many vacancies are there?
7 vacancies there.
7 vacancies in what post?
5 by 6, sir. Deputy director.
Deputy Director, Forensic.
Forensic. So last occasion, so Lordship, honorable court director, respondent to being on that record.
The petitioners are aspiring to be promoted to Deputy Director. What is the criteria otherwise?
Lordship,
Any rules?
yes, there is rules there.
The petitioners are qualified.
Yes, we are qualified. Otherwise, we qualified.
May I point out one?
Yes.
So far, Bimal Kaur is concerned. Bimal Kaur, No? He has already been promoted to the post of Deputy Director.
When? Mr. MP Sharma,
Lordship.
you don't have
he was
up-to-date instructions.
Holding the.
Yes,
charge
yes, on 20 December 2023, Bimal Kaur promoted temporarily allowed to official Deputy Director, Regional Forensic Laboratory, Sciences.
Officiate.
Yeah, my lord, this is the way of giving promotion, my lord. It's a promotion to the post of, my lord, Deputy Director.
No. Officiate and promotions are two different things.
my lord. But for all practical purposes, he has been promoted to the post of deputy director.
Lordship, but then he was holding the charge of that post since 2016, Lordship.
No, by order, this is the order, my lord.
That promotion was to be
See,
effected after
see-
5 years of service as senior citizen.
Well, they have sought for, my lord, retrospective promotion. This is not possible in view of the fact that
Lordship.
authority did not have any, my lord, the lapse on its part, my lord, while giving
So-
promotion, my lord. So they wanted, my lord, in all cases, retrospective promotion. This is their case, my lord. Even in respect of other two petitioners, my lord, they need total 5 years service as senior scientific officer for the purpose of promotion to the post of deputy director. They were promoted in the year during the pendency of the case, 2021, promoted senior scientific officer. So 2026, they will be promoted to deputy director. No problem for them.
Is it on record? Otherwise,
Yes.
their promotion, is it on
Promotion-
record? You said they have been promoted already in
Yes,
2023.
this is,
No, is it on record?
No, not there.
You file it. You file it for your instructions.
bio affidavit or what?
Use by way of an affidavit.
Lordship, may I submit one thing? The vacancy position and when it arose, that may also be clarified, but because they are.
Oh,
suffering
whatever
since
is
long, Lord.
required, we'll do, my lord.
No, no,
The vacancy, no problem, because, my lord, as and when vacancy arose, my lord, the appropriate person was considered for promotion. And only in the instant cases, my lord, they sought promotion with retrospective effect, because according to them, my lord, their cases were not taken up appropriately at appropriate time. That is their
Okay,
case.
okay, please write down. The instant case is pertaining to claim for promotion from the post of senior scientific officer to the
So
post
far,
of,
so far, two persons are concerned. So
Lordship,
Monalisa,
item
Chaudhary-
4 and 6 are same.
and what about the other one? Third one?
Third one is Lordship, he was holding the charge of that post, but he was not promoted to that post, deputy director, Lordship. In the toxicology division, Lordship.
All the three cases are relating to promotion to the post of deputy director, isn't it?
Lordship.
What did I say? Please repeat. Huh? Senior scientific officer to the post of deputy director.
Itu dia sunai.
In the forensic science laboratory.
Also not the senior scientific, some scientific officer to deputy director. In that, in between the tendency. of
Well, may I read the so far Bimal?
Mr. Counsel, why don't you listen what I'm dictating? I said from senior scientific officer to the post of deputy director.
Right,
Is it not correct?
right.
Now,
Then
during the
please
pendency of-
listen when I
No, sir,
dictate.
no, sir.
Mr. B. Goswami, Learned Additional Advocate General, Assam, submits that in terms of the last court's order, he has obtained instructions to stop. Let the instructions be filed by way of an additional affidavit. The additional affidavit should also contain when the vacancy had arisen and when the same was filled up, either by way of in-charge basis or by way of regular promotion. Let the affidavit be filed within a period of 2 weeks. You have the instructions. Why do you 3 weeks?
Persons, but all right, I'll try to.
2 weeks from today.
Lordship,
So can you fix it?
List the matter again on before the vacation. Give a date.
Lordship, also, may I submit one thing, Lordship?
My lord, the contention of the petitioner in respect of Bimal, my lord, Kaur, that is not correct, because he was granted the scale of the deputy director on being promoted, my lord.
Anyway, we have passed the order. We'll
Yes,
sort it out in the
I-
next date.
So it is incorrect to say that since long he is holding the charge of the deputy director.
But he was not getting the benefits of that.
Benefit order, office order, I don't know why he has not been, my lord, able to
Give a date
obtain the order.
Can you fix it?
on 1st of October 2024.
No,
Not it. Hello.
My lord, may. What? Can it be on third?
All right, 3rd of October.
Hello.
No one? None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. For ends of justice, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
With legal office.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm seeking adjournment. We have
Why do you want adjournment?
Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulty.
Who's your senior?
Mr. K.K. Mohandam.
I'm not objecting for today, Lordship, but stay order is operating against recruitment in 24 numbers of posts. Lordship. So
Will accommodate you only for a few days, not
Lordship,
long.
Next week, any day, Lordship.
Next week, Monday. Mr. K.K. Mahanta, learned senior counsel,
Yes, sir.
is said to have some inconvenience to appear before the court today. On a prayer made on his behalf, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on Monday. Please give the date.
Item number 9 is connected with item number 55. 55, it's a review petition filed with the state.
Item 9 is connected with what?
Item number 55 of today's list.
55.
55, yes, my lord. It's a review petition filed by the state. In fact, my lord, what has happened? There are
55 is a review petition.
is a review petition filed by state, and the petitioner in item number 9 is the respondent there.
I am not in 55 lots.
But
I am not in 55.
honorable court has directed us to give him a copy. We have served him a
Copy
copy.
also I have received, but without how can appear in review lordship? And that case was disposed of in 2015 itself. After lordship 8 years, they have come on review.
That's
How can I lordship replace?
Item 9 petitioner is a,
The respondent in the item 55.
who's the petitioner in item 55?
Uh,
Oh, this is the state.
the state.
Yes.
Lordship,
Hmm.
State. I'm for the state.
One more thing is that lordship, instead of lordship the order that which should have been lordship come for review, they have not challenged that order. The subsequent order by which this petitioner has been lordship considered, they have come review on that order only, not the first order. lordship.
When the review petition is taken up, my lord, we will make our submission.
That is
If my
so I
friend
am
is
not
appearing
really
there,
lordship at this stage.
if my friend is appearing there, Lord.
I didn't go through the review petition just now, lordship. I have seen the review petition.
No, I have.
They have
I
not
have-
challenged the first order, but.
Anyway,
subsequent
we'll do one thing. Let this 9 be called with item 55. We'll see what can be done.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Call the next item, please. 9 will be with 55.
Matter relates to the area salary of the petitioner. Lordship. Till date, respondent also not filed any.
Lordship, they did not serve any copy to us, Lordship. We cannot take any step.
Till date, they have not served any extra copies on us. So how can you take instruction?
During the course of the day, Lordship. If not,
Give them the extra copies. When can you give?
during the course of the day. Lordship.
Petitioner, counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies to the learned counsel for the respondents during the course of the day. List the matter again.
It may be fixed.
Lordship,
After vacation,
my lord, I have to take instruction to.
After the vacation. Respondents to come up with appropriate instructions by the next day.
Please, Your Lordship. So here, the petitioner is an employee, a constable of the CISF, and he being aggrieved by his transfer in violation of the existing guidelines that is being followed for transfer and posting, had preferred the writ petition. In fact, this is the third round of litigation. Of course, his transfer has been stayed. In the first round, he preferred the writ petition that without assigning any reason why in violation of the policy they have transferred him to an out-of-home sector. That was interfered with by the Honorable Court, and we are directed to file a representation, and we filed a representation stating that as it is, we have already served in the days of in the guidelines. There is a mandate that once an employee has served in the out-of-home sector for the requisite number of 14 years, then he is entitled to be considered for posting in his home sector. And
Okay, that is the background.
that is the background.
Why is it listed today?
Listed Lordship,
Any other further pleadings to be
Sometimes it is
filed?
not the statement.
We don't,
Exchange?
pleadings are complete here on.
Pleadings completed, but fact is that my lord, he is, the case is listed since my lord, 1st of February. It is not listed. Now it is listed. Earlier, that took time. It was listed earlier, thereafter listed my lord, 18/12/23. Then 1st of February, then today. My lord,
Okay.
it is
Let
an
the
admission
matter come
stage.
for
So
admission.
it is listed today now. So let us not go back in time.
Yes,
Now, if the pleadings are complete, we fix the matter for final hearing.
lordship,
My
yes.
lord, final hearing, my lord,
Admission.
in admission stage, my lord.
Exactly. That's
Yes,
what,
yes, admission stage. My lord.
when
After the vacations, probably it will be,
pleadings are complete,
yes, pleadings are
according to
complete.
the learned counsel for the petition parties, and that the matter can be heard, taken up for admission hearing. Next para, as paid for by the parties, let the matter be listed for admission hearing
After the vacations, lordship.
on,
But the date may be fixed.
on
my lord.
October,
24th of
24th of October.
Can it be on the, in the last week of October,
29,
last week?
29.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
29, 20. 29.
29 October.
29th of October.
I'm sorry. Lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship senior is out of station, lordship. Lordship matter may be taken after puja vacation.
What do you say? Any objection?
No
Who,
objection.
who is out of station?
Lordship Mr. DC Hazarika.
Mr. DC K. Hazarika,
Yes, lordship.
learned conducting counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. List the matter again after the ensuing puja vacation.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Met with lots of minor. Here the for regulation of the petitioners is there. They've been working since for last more than 12 years. But the government has yet to respond.
Instruction I say, sir, my affidavit of Lordship, I need some time, my lord. I have already received the instruction, my lord. I will file affidavit.
Why didn't you file it?
Within 2 weeks, my lord.
No, why did you not file it?
My lord, this matter actually listed after.
Came up last
almost
year
1 year,
also.
my lord. Yes, ma'am. Some time, my lord.
You'll get 10 days time, not beyond that.
2 weeks, my lord. 14 days.
You have received instructions,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it?
I have instruction.
Mr. Sharma, we'll give them some time.
Yes.
Parties are represented by the respective councils. On the prayer of Mr. S. Datta, learned standing counsel appearing for the
PNRD department.
PNRD department. 2 weeks time is granted
My lord.
for filing counter affidavit since he has received instructions.
My lord.
In view of above, list the matter again after 2 weeks.
Obliged. Seek a date, my lord. And even 24th of October, my after puja vacation.
After
24th
puja.
of October.
As paid for, list the matter on 4th of October,
24th.
24th of October.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, matter relates to antedated promotion, Lordship. It is a 2021 matter, Lordship. Otherwise, we have already exchanged our pleadings and matter is ready for disposal, Lordship. I am also otherwise ready, but he has communicated that he has some difficulty.
An affidavit, additional affidavit has been filed. An additional affidavit has been filed by the petitioner, wherein, my lord, some new documents and facts has been brought into record. Regarding that, my lord, we need to obtain instruction.
It is not an additional affidavit. Against their affidavit in opposition, we file our affidavit in reply.
But, my lord, some
As
new
per
facts have
procedure.
been brought in.
As per procedure.
How much time?
Lord, 2 weeks.
Last occasion also they short time. A date may be fixed. I am only praying that much, Lordship. A date may be fixed in the last part of this month, Lordship.
There was the order dated 12/8/2024, wherein learned standing counsel APDCL had sought for time. Since according to him, some new facts have been incorporated by the petitioner in the rejoinder affidavit. Stop today. Same prayer has been made. Stop. For ends of justice, 2 weeks time is granted as a last chance to obtain instructions. List the matter again on
Can it be on 27th September, Lordship?
27th of September, 2024.
Much obliged.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Same was the case when the matter was listed on 2/8/2023. In view of above, the matter stands dismissed for default.
Obliged. The letter pertains to the parity, the refixation of pay and pretty complete. So my lord, better maybe fix the date, maybe fix for.
Matter can be heard. Pleadings are complete.
Yes, pretty complete, maybe fix a date for here.
When do you want it?
My lord, on 29th of October. 29th of October. Which day that's a hearing day.
The parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the pleadings are complete and therefore the matter can be taken up for admission hearing. Post up as agreed and paid by them. Matter be listed again on 29th of October for admission hearing.
Deeply. All right.
Maybe.
Yes.
This is with petition pertaining to, my lord, the pay scale, my lord, non-payment of pay scale and regularization. As per the, my lord, resolution taken by the chairman of the municipal board, my lord. But before that, my lord, last
Please,
occasion-
lordship. Kindly pass over for time being, lordship. Tisutia is
Who is
appearing in
appearing?
this case, lordship. He is lex in another court, lordship.
Who is appearing?
Tisutia, lordship.
Tishutia.
Lordship.
my lord, then,
D Chutia.
Tisutia,
my
lordship.
lord, it may be taken at 2 PM, my lord. I have some other.
No, 2 PM, lordship. After time being, lordship. He lex in another court.
The pleadings are complete otherwise? Pleadings are
Last
complete?
occasion, my lord, some instruction.
Some
is only-
instruction, lordship.
because I-
Instruction.
Yes, only thing is that I am going to retire next year, my lord. And my regularization and pay scale, it is the prerogative of the board, my lord.
What instruction was required to be taken?
Lordship, actually it is to
Government was
file
the-
affidavit in opposition, lordship. The affidavit in opposition already filed, lordship. Lordship.
Page 38, you'll also will find that scale of pay, my lord.
On 21/8, lordship, 24, lordship. Honorable court directed to the respondent to file affidavit in opposition, lordship. The affidavit in opposition already filed, lordship. That's why, lordship, this has appeared, lordship. Kindly pass over for the time being, lordship.
The affidavit in opposition filed.
Filed,
Okay,
lordship.
but you all are saying that some instruction was required. So question is what instruction was required to be obtained? By whom?
That was some obtained, lordship.
Hmm?
That was some obtained, lordship. Some of the document instruction received, lordship.
Ah.
Yes. That's why, lordship, time being, pass over for the time being, lordship, and obtain that
Fix it on
instruction.
Friday,
lordship.
my lord, I will also argue in that matter. For this.
You fix it on a hearing date if the pleadings are complete
Yes, yes,
on Tuesday or Thursday next.
Lordship,
yes, yes.
Thursday next.
Thursday is what date?
20, my lord.
20.
Sorry, my lord, and 19, my lord.
19.
Parties submit that the pleadings are complete and the matter can be taken up for admission hearing. So the counsel for the petitioner expresses urgency in the matter since the petitioner is going to retire next year.
Next year.
In view of above, and as paid for is the matter on 19th of September for admission hearing.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, petition pertaining to lordship, promotion to the post of lordship from sub-engineer grade 1 to sub-engineer, junior engineer lordship. Lordship, petitioner lordship has selected the lordship provision of the gradation list lordship. Lordship, the petitioner initially was appointed in the year of 2016 lordship. Then lordship, the departmental lordship has prepared a seniority list lordship. Lordship, kindly see page 33 lordship. Annexure 5 lordship. This is the seniority list lordship prepared by the authority in the year 2019. This is the extract copy lordship. Lordship, from this seniority list lordship, lordship got it.
Yes.
Lordship, from the seniority list, Lordship, 23 incumbents have been, Lordship, promoted to the post of junior engineer. And in this list, Lordship, the name of the petitioner appears in serial number 26, Lordship, page 34, Lordship.
Yes.
Then, Lordship, those incumbent have been promoted to the post of junior engineer. That is page 36 and extra 6, Lordship. Then thereafter, Lordship, the chief engineer, Lordship, prepared a final seniority, provisional seniority list, Lordship, page 37 and extra 7, Lordship. And in this seniority list, Lordship, the name of the petitioner appears at serial number 9, Lordship. It is, Lordship, correctly, Lordship, placed the name of the petitioner, Lordship. And after, Lordship, 1 month, Lordship, another, Lordship, a list has been prepared and published, Lordship, that is page 41 and extra 8. And the name of the petitioner, Lordship, is given below by that serial number, Lordship, 20, Lordship. Page 43, Lordship. Page 43, Lordship, and by the serial number 20, Abdul Manas Chaudhary.
Yes.
Then, Lordship, the petitioner submitted the representation praying for modification and correction. Correction is a place, Lordship. And Lordship, very much our date of Lordship, one settled seniority position, one settled, that cannot be, Lordship, unsettled after several years, Lordship. Lordship, since the name of the petitioner, Lordship, was placed correctly in the seniority list of 2019, and after promotion of some of the incumbent, his name was appeared into serial number 9, Lordship. And again, the authority, Lordship, he prepared another seniority list and his name given value, Lordship. Lordship, my friend, maybe, Lordship.
So you are agreed with your change in your seniority position.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
From serial number 9, you have been brought
Lordship.
down to serial number
Yes,
20.
yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
What could be the reason?
Lordship, Lordship, since Lordship 2019, Lordship, seniority list was prepared, and based on which, Lordship.
Are you saying those who are above you in the seniority list,
Lordship,
where you have been placed at serial number 20,
yes,
are
Lordship.
junior to you?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, I have, Lordship, indicated in my petition, Lordship.
Lordship may see page 31, Lordship.
Yes, what is there in 31?
31, Lordship, I'm just showing, Lordship. After receipt of the satisfactory police verification reports and medical fitness certificates from the competent authority, the services of the following sub-engineer grade 1 appointed by order number so-and-so against each incumbent in so-and-so per month plus so-and-so. Here the name of the petitioner, Lordship, appears at serial number 8. And the respondent's name, Lordship, kindly see, are above him, Lordship.
Respondents means who are the respondents?
Private respondents, Lordship.
How many of them are there?
Lordship, from 6 onwards, Lordship, private respondents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there, Lordship.
Anyway, you have not filed your counter affidavit.
Yes,
I'll file my
Have you received the instructions?
instructions in Lordship of complete instructions I have not received, Lordship. That is the same. I will file, Lordship, 2 weeks time maybe.
2 weeks time.
Lordship.
You have not received instructions. How will you file within 2 weeks time?
I will ask for instructions, Lordship.
Well, if you are taking time, take it with responsibility.
Lordship, matter is the pending
just-
2022, Lordship. My lord, already 2 years ago, Lordship, and the promotion is, Lordship, is going to be processed, Lordship.
By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the downgradation of his seniority position. Mr. Upadhyay, Learned State Counsel, appearing for the PhD, Irrigation Department, seeks for 2 weeks time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. Prayers allowed. This again after 2 weeks.
Lord, in this case, yesterday we have filed our affidavit in reply, my lord. It may not be on record, my lord. May I pray, my lord, if you will tag and this matter will be taken up next Tuesday. my lord.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that affidavit in reply was filed by the petitioner yesterday. It is seen that the same is not on record. Office to verify and tag it with the record and list the matter again
Well,
after a week.
After a week, let it be on week.
The date may be fixed on 7. If it's not, it's gonna be on 17, my lord.
May not be on 17th, no?
17th.
Let it be on 20th, 20.
21, on my lord, 24, my lord, 24. Is it Tuesday, my lord?
Instead of writing a week and office to verify and tag it along with the record and list the matter again on 24th.
Yes, my lord.
24th of September, 2024. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? So this matter relating to family pension, Lordship. The petitioner is a widow, 77 years old lady, Lordship. Her son is missing from 2020, Lordship. After that, his wife getting the family pension, Lordship. And the mother is totally dependent on the his son. And she is now bedridden, 77 years old lady, Lordship.
Petitioner is the mother.
Mother.
Yes.
I am the respondent number.
You are for which respondent?
He is for the respondent number 3, Lordship. The wife, Lordship.
Retired as what?
He is not retired, Lordship.
I'm sorry, he went missing.
He was missing.
He was working as?
Working as ex-HD, GD in 44 BN plus SSB, Lordship.
SSB.
SSB.
He's a constable in SSB.
Lordship.
You're for the wife. Wife is respondent number 3.
Lordship. From 2020, she is getting the pension.
But what is wrong in that?
Lordship, she is totally dependent on his son. There is nobody to look after her. She was 77 years old and she is bedridden, Lordship. As per new amended rules, Lordship, mother is also eligible for.
Show me the rules. Where are the rules?
Lordship.
Is there any scope of settling the matter
Not in my lord. As per
mutually?
my mother is not entitled to get
Sorry?
pension, my lord. Mother is not entitled. Kindly see my lord, page 20, annexure D, my lord. Kindly see. The reply of the department. Page 20, my lord. 20.
Mother does not have any other children?
No, Lordship.
No other children? Only one son?
She is dependent on him only, Lordship.
No, dependent is one thing.
Actually,
I'm
I
asking
don't
you
have
about.
that instruction. I don't have.
Question is, how many children does she have?
That instruction I don't have, Lordship. I have to take those instructions, Lordship. As per new rules, Lordship, she is entitled to getting the.
Show me the rules.
Lordship,
What is that?
this is Central Civil Service Pension Rule,
No.
2021.
On what basis have you filed the writ petition? On what basis?
Lordship,
You heard me? On what basis? On what grounds have you filed the writ petition?
Lordship, she is totally dependent on.
Oh,
on
don't repeat the same story again. See, when you have a brief with you, you see whether there's a cause of action or not, whether there's any ground for getting the relief or not. Then you draft and you file the writ petition. So simple question is that on what basis have you filed the writ petition? If some rules are in your favor, you could have incorporated that in your writ petition. Not that you produce later on, unless a new rule has come, that's a different thing. But if rules were already in force, you could have very well produced that in your writ petition, isn't it? What kind of rules are you going to refer to now?
This is Central Civil Service Rule Pension 2021. This was amended in 2021, Lordship.
It is not available in the writ petition, not abstracted, not mentioned. Rule 21.
Lordship.
You do one thing, why don't you file an additional affidavit? The basis on which you are claiming.
I am reading this annex D. Can you see, my lord?
No, again, next day, you also will produce another copy.
As per CCS, pension rules 1972 SR 10A, within bracket A, rule 54, family pension to the parents shall be payable if the parents were fully dependent on the government servant and the deceased government servant is not survived by a widow or an eligible child. If the servant has not any wife or.
Have you stated that in your counter affidavit?
No, I have not filed any.
Why have you not filed?
I inform the party.
So every day when the matter is listed, both of you will bring your own set of documents to support your case. You cannot go about like that. You file your affidavit. These are the stands. You also, these are the stand. Court will examine and pass the decision. But if you don't file anything, then how do we proceed? This is the thing.
On the last occasion, he was directed to take the instructions.
No, you file an affidavit, both of you. The basis on which you have relying upon. You are relying upon the communication passed by the respondent, official respondent, isn't it? But then you are reading some rule.
When
the parents are
time,
sorry,
I may be allowed reasonable time to file affidavit.
You tell me how much time do you require?
3 weeks time maybe.
3 weeks time. You also 3 weeks time. Please write down. Parties are represented by the respective councils. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that her son, who was working in the SSB, had gone missing. And subsequently, family pension has been given to the private respondent number 3, who is his wife. Stop. According to the petitioner, she was wholly dependent on her son. And therefore, she is also entitled to receive some amount of the pension, some amount of the family pension. The learned counsels for the rival parties have sought to rely upon certain provisions of law and pray that they may be given 3 weeks' time to file the same by way of an affidavit. The prayer is allowed. The affidavit to be filed by the petitioner shall also indicate as to how many children the petitioner has, apart from the husband of the respondent number 3. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
Give a date after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
While the time for the petitioner, notice was issued on 17/3/2023. Department has taken time after time, my lord. But fact is this, my lord, after March 2016, the petitioners have not received any salary.
Lordship, may kindly peruse.
These things are, my lord,
Don't pass on,
file affidavit.
please don't pass documents like
Let them
that.
file affidavit, my lord. When they are going to file,
Area
when they are going to pay.
Now, what is your claim here? Area salary.
We are, my lord, Agriculture Corporation employees. Thus, Honorable High Court has held they are state government employees. Because on the basis of another judgment, which is at page, my lord, 34, these petitioners are also become the state government employee. Now, they have been given by the department their salary up to 2016 March. Some of them, 2 of the out of 8 petitioners, my lord, 2 are still working. And my lord, out of 8,
6 have already retired. Some have already died, my lord, without receiving even their salary. Now, my lord, those who are surviving, my lord, they are not getting their salary up to their retirement. And pension is another thing, my lord. They're
No,
not getting even pension.
where they were working, the petitioners?
Agriculture Farming Corporation.
Corporation.
But this honorable court, as per order dated, my lord, here at page 49, they are held to be the state government employee. They are state government employee as per the order dated, my lord, earlier at page 34. Another at page 34, Honorable Mr. Justice B.K. Sharma Lordship has held that their employees are state government employees.
Okay.
Now, similarly, these petitioners approach this Honorable High Court, and at page 49, this order was passed by Honorable Mr. Justice T.N.K. Singh, my lord, where these 14 petitioners are held to be the state government employees. At page 49.
That's why, Lordship, we are verifying the claim, the pensionary benefits. And regarding the arrear salary, Lordship, everything has been paid. I have the
Arrear
documents with
paid
me,
up to
Lordship.
March 2016.
Just a
It's all
minute.
right.
See, page 34 is by one single petitioner.
Yes.
Similarly, page 49 is also by a single petitioner. Correct?
Page
49.
No, my lord. Ultimately, no, total number of, at page 52, Lordship, WPC numbers are here. One order was passed by on 1/12/2006 by Honorable Mr. Justice T.N.K. Singh at that time, my lord, where in the above background at page para 5, these 14 writ petitioners are disposed of with the direction that the benefits of earlier judgment and order dated 17/3/2005 in WPC number 4370/2004 shall be extended to all the writ petitioners. It is made clear that whole exercise for extending the benefit of the earlier judgment and order dated 17/3/2005 passed in WPC number 3470 of 2004, petitioners of the present 14 writ petitioners shall be completed within a period of 5 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the judgment and order. My lord, this order, as your lordship, honorable court earlier relied upon.
So Reliance has been placed upon the
Yes.
WPC 3470.
70.
Now, please come to that judgment. What is the relevant portion?
3470.
Yes. Starts from page 34.
He was single employee. Against that order, my lord.
No, don't go beyond that.
Pardon.
Let us understand this 3470 first. You are saying that the employees of the Agriculture Farming Corporation are also state government employees.
Yes.
Where is it held like that?
Para 24. At page 47. The Director of Agriculture during the course of hearing submitted that the petitioners can also be taken into whole of the regular government establishment in the event of their being vacancy. Having regard to the special feature of the case, I am of the considered opinion that the respondents should pay the arrear salary, current salary as well to the petitioner, which will help to survive with the family members. The respondents shall also take immediate steps for the transfer of the government department, particularly to the agriculture department in which he is initially appointed, granting him status of regular employee, taking into account of his past services. His arrear salary should be, this is regarding him, my lord. The same status was, my lord,
Should take immediate steps, Lordship.
given to the 14 employees as part of that writ petition judgment, my lord. So they were, my lord, some of them were transferred to other agriculture department of the state government. And my lord, they have not denied that. One writ appeal was filed. That was dismissed, my lord, by this honorable court. Writ appeal at page 70, my lord.
But one thing, see, okay, writ appeal dismissed, okay, well and good. But this paragraph 24, which you just read,
Yes,
there was some concession on the part of the director.
yes,
Director of Agriculture, during the course of hearing, submitted that the petitioner can also be taken into the fold of regular government establishment in the event of there being vacancy. This was,
yes. Vacancy, there were a vacancy, we applied.
no, this was
This
in,
petitioners,
this was in particular in respect of this instant.
yes, my lord, but the same benefit.
A
is
single
given-
petitioner only.
Yes, yes, single petitioner.
So
The
where does
same-
it say that all similar situated persons should also be considered?
That is in the next judgment, my lord, at page 49. The 14 employee, they have approached this honorable court, and the honorable court, Honorable Mr. Justice, as per order 1/12/2006, they have given the same status. At page para 5 and 6, my lord. The benefit of earlier judgment and order dated of this court 17/3/2005 passed in WPC number so and so shall be extended to all the writ petitioners. Against that order, my lord, against that order, they, my lord, preferred an appeal that was also dismissed. At page 70, 69, 70, my lord. 69, 70.
What is that? 6970.
Yes, 70.
What is that?
Last but one, my lord, keeping in view, start with keeping in view.
No, what
page
order is
70.
this? What order is this?
The division bench order, my lord. Honorable,
Appeal filed by the
yes,
state.
state government, state and agriculture department. Against all the order of the single guard. Keeping in view the submissions made at the bar and the facts and materials on record, it is directed that the respondent government shall revive the agriculture farming corporations within 6 months and pay both current and arrear salaries within 6 months. Accordingly, the writ appeals, contempt petitions, and the miscellaneous applications are disposed of. Respondents are, however, at liberty to revive the contempt petitions if the order is not complied with within the time frame fixed. Now, my lord, this honorable court, that was, my lord, their state governments, my lord, writ appeals are all the writ petitions are there, my lord, and they have challenged, and by this order, the honorable court dismiss their writ appeals. So, my lord, at this stage, only thing is this: up to 2016 March, they have paid our salary. Now, they have not approached against the division bench order to the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. It is already long back. Now, my lord, only a few employees are there. Only 8 or 10 employees are there, my lord. So, if the my lord, government, my lord, pays their salary up to till the date of their retirement, my lord, we have nothing to say. Then will they consider regarding the, my lord, pension. Because this Rajani Via, the first case, is getting pension, my lord.
Yes, now what is the instruction?
Lordship, regarding the arrear salary, they have already received in the pleadings in para 3, they have given the sum, that arrear salary they are about to receive, Lordship. I have my instruction, Lordship, all the arrear salaries of all the petitioners has been paid by us. So regarding the pensionary benefits, Lordship, we are verifying the claim of the petitioners. So Lordship, we are initiating the process and we pay for some time to verify the claim of the petitioners.
Is that what is written in your instruction?
Yes, Lordship. And regarding the arrear salary.
Seems you have been paid
Yes,
Paid
Lordship.
up to
arrear salary,
2016.
if Lordship.
up to which year?
Paid up to 2016 March.
Everything is paid, Lordship.
Some of them have
Nothing is-
retired
nothing
up.
remains. That is
No,
paid
no,
off, Lordship.
no.
It's all right.
Everything paid means what?
But
Up to which date?
Para 3 of his writ petition, Lordship. Para 3, page 8. He has written all the arrear salary that is about to be paid, Lordship. from 1/8/1997 to 31/3/2016. The amount to be paid was 39 lakhs 57,652. Para 3, Lordship.
Payment is to be up to
Out of
which year?
39 lakhs, Lordship, 37 lakhs has been paid. And what remains was only 1,93,000. All the amounts have been paid, Lordship.
No, if all the amounts have been paid, why the writ petition is filed then?
For the pensionary benefits.
No, my lord, not. Because
You come to
some
the
of them-
prayer.
No,
You come to the prayer.
my lord, 2 of them are still working. They have paid up to March 2016. 2 employees, my lord, that is writ petitioner number 3 and 7 are still working. Let them confirm that they are still paying the money to these 2 petitioners, my lord. 3 and 7.
You
And
file your
some-
instruction. Let her file the instructions she has
Yes, yes.
received by way of an affidavit.
Yes,
Yes, madam,
Yes,
you
Lord.
file your affidavit.
Yes.
because my lord, some of them have retired in 2018 and 19. They have paid up to 2016. We have not denied. Up to
Learned counsel for the respondent, Miss
Arbora, Lordship.
R. Bora,
For the agriculture department.
respondent Agriculture Department, Miss R. Bora, submits that she has received instructions, which is to the effect that the petitioners have been paid their area salaries, and that the claim for pensionary benefit is also being examined. Gustav, since the learned counsel submits that she has received the instructions, let the same be brought by way of an affidavit. Let the same be brought on record by way of an additional affidavit.
The fact, my fact, my lord, that some of them have retired after 2016 and they have not paid their salary up to till the date of retirement.
Where
That
is
will
it?
consider. That will consider. Let her file the affidavit first. Let's see.
It is not there in the pleadings, Lordship.
Let the
It is
affidavit,
there.
let the affidavit be filed within a period of 1 week. List the matter again on so and so.
Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why
1
2 weeks?
week.
You're holding that paper.
Yes,
Lordship, that is the instruction from the director, Lordship, regarding the pensionary benefits. Area is from the director's office regarding the pensionary benefits.
Okay,
Lordship,
2
the
weeks.
document is to oblige, Lordship.
Let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks, and the matter shall now be listed again on 30th of September.
Oblige.
oblige, my lord.
May I please? My lord, the petitioner has been working, my lord, as casual employee, my lord, under the DFO, my lord, Karimganj Forest Department, my lord. My lord, my lord, he has been, my lord, not paid his fixed pay, my lord.
What is your case about?
My lord, my case, my lord, that I have been working as casual employee, my lord, under DFO, my lord, Karimganj district, my lord, in the forest department. And my lord, I was paid, my lord, this my fixed pay since my lord, 1997 to 2000.
You are still working?
Still working, my lord. I have filed, my lord, one affidavit. On
Casual
the-
worker since 1993 in the office of the what? DFO,
Yes, my lord.
Karimganj.
My lord, on the direction of the honorable court, my lord, I filed affidavit number 94, my lord. And page 1991 is the document, my lord, issued by DFO.
Additional affidavit stating what?
My lord, submitting latest document, my lord, from the DFO. They issued on 5th March 2000.
Yes, what are those documents?
My lord, the proof, my lord, that I have been working, my lord, is issued by DFO. Because the honorable court, my lord, directed me. to
Where is the
file,
document? Show me the document.
my lord, page 90 and 91.
What is your name?
No, Sanjay Das, my lord.
Sanjay Das.
Yes.
Date of engagement, January 93. Still working? Work
Yes,
charge,
my
Sada.
Still working,
So,
my lord.
your claim is that you should be given the minimum scale of pay as per Upen Das judgment.
Right time to time, fixed pay, my lord. I am not regular. I am not for regular, my lord.
Nobody said you're regular.
Yes.
I'm saying that your claim is that you should be paid the minimum scale of pay
Well, okay.
as per the Upen Das judgment.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Yes, counsel.
Advocate General Hindu submitted, well, we are not, my lord, they are not, my lord, going to remove this, all this, who has been working for last 10 years.
You have not been removed, isn't it? Then why are you going on to that aspect of the matter?
After that, paid also.
No, it's not your case that you're going to be removed.
There are so many proof that, my lord, they, my lord, disbelieve that I worked since 1991. But their document shows that, my lord, I am getting, my lord, my pay since 1997. Documents are there, my lord. Page 22, my lord. Page 22 can be seen, my lord. It is a type copy of page 24. Serial number 19, Sanjay Das.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, this is a chart prepared by the, my lord, this department, my lord.
Page 22.
Page 22, it is type copy, my lord, as page 24. Page 24 is the chart, my lord. Serial number 19 is my name, my lord.
It's not legible.
My lord, serial number 19, Sanjay Das. And my lord,
Why are you showing me this document?
my lord, because, my lord, they are not considering my case. Again, my lord, can you see page, my lord, 26? 26 and 27. This is the certificate issued by DFO.
So basically, what is your prayer then?
My lord, page 64, can you see one?
No, we are not seeing any document like that.
My lord, my prayer, my lord.
Tell me your prayer.
My lord, I have not been paid, my lord, the fixed pay since, my lord, January 2001, my lord. So, my lord, I may be paid my fixed pay, my lord. From 23rd of January 2001.
Then what are you paid?
I'm not getting nothing, my lord.
You're not getting any pay.
And my lord, this petitioner already, my lord, 55 years of age.
How old?
55 years of age.
55 years. Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, your lordship had disposed a similar matter, even though lordship, this is here, it is a second round of litigation. It can still be, lordship, the.
This is second round.
Yes, second, my lord, second petition.
What happened to the first one?
First one, the direction was there, my lord. Then, my lord, they passed.
You should start like you should start your submission like that. This is a second round petition. First order was like this. This is the second time.
Yes.
Instead of taking me from pages to pages like that.
My lord, page 41 is the first judgment of the first writ petition, my lord.
Where's the first writ petition?
Page 41, my lord.
Sanjay Das.
Well,
Claimers for regularization, but in view of this Upen Das, court say that you're covered by Upen Das and they should pay you accordingly as per paragraph 22. That was the decision.
my lord.
Now, what has happened now? He has come again back to this court,
Yes.
saying that, just a minute, he has not been paid fixed pay since 23/1/2001. And that he should be given the minimum pay scale with effect from 1/8/2017.
My lord, one order passed, my lord, by the one committee, my lord, page 55. Altogether, case of 22 persons were, my lord, taken. My lord, 11 persons, my lord. Case of 11 person considered, page, my lord, 55. My name is serial number 12.
How do you propose the matter to be?
Yes. Here, Lordship, in the first round, the matter was then remanded to the PCCF committee to verify. There, Lordship, they had said that even though the DFO has vouched for the name, documents are incomplete. And that is why the eligibility conditions of that fixed pay was not fulfilled. And that is why the petitioner's case was rejected. Now the petitioner has come back again, Lordship, with this document by DFO, which is also not a complete set of documents, but for some reason, Lordship, it has been vouched by the DFO. So, Lordship, what I would suggest is that I have placed that order, Lordship, which your Lordship has disposed last week. Similar issues. This time only, Lordship may also ask the committee to also take into cognizance this document by DFO, Lordship.
Which committee?
There's a PCCF-led committee for verification of fixed pay workers, Lordship. That has been recorded in your Lordship's order.
So let the case of the petitioner also be placed before the committee.
It has been done once, Lordship, and it was rejected. But now, since
No, in view of this additional
in view
affidavit,
of this, yes, now let it be
and
placed.
let them consider and pass appropriate
Yes,
orders.
Lordship.
My lord, earlier minutes, my lord, even the case was not also not considered. My lord, the case of the offenders also may be, my lord, directed to consider.
All right, we'll dispose it of. Heard Mr. S. Chavan, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
I Botagu,
learned standing counsel for his department. Stop having regard to the nature of the case projected by the petitioner. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage with the consent of the learned counsels for the parties. Next para, the petitioner has come before this court for the second time. Stop, the earlier writ petition being WPC number 6870/2017 was disposed of by order dated 13/11/2017, by which this court had directed the state respondents to examine the case of the petitioner and grant him the benefit as contained in paragraph number 22 of writ appeal number 45 of 2014. Bracket, State of Assam versus Upendas, close bracket. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that, despite the said direction, the petitioners have failed to grant him fixed pay with effect from 23/1/2001 and revise the same from time to time in the minimum scale of pay. With effect from 1/8/2017 as directed by this court in the case of Upendas Supra. Next para, the petitioner, in support of his claim, has also filed an additional affidavit by which he has annexed a communication dated 5/3/2024 made by the DFO Karimganj, Division Karimganj, to the PCCF and Head of Forest Force, Assam, enclosing the name of 2 casual workers, including the petitioner, showing the petitioner to have been engaged from January 1993 and was still working on work charge basis. Stop considering the certification made by the DFO concerned. This court deems it fit and appropriate to relegate the matter back to the PCCF, who shall place the same before the, what do you call the committee?
Verification committee of
You
casual
shall place the
workers.
same before the constituted verification committee to verify the claim of the petitioner to get the minimum scale of pay. Within a period of two weeks.
Sometime will be
Committee, to the committee. Within a
what-
period of,
1 month, Lordship.
no, within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order, to stop the committee concerned, upon getting all the relevant materials, shall consider the claim of the petitioner. And if the petitioner is found to be eligible to be given the minimum scale of pay in view of rendering his work since the year 1993, consequential benefit should be given to him within a period of 1 month
1 month.
thereafter. With the above observation and direction, writ petition stands disposed of.
I may be allowed to submit my read petition with all annexures along with the copy of the order.
Liberty is granted to the petitioner to submit a copy of the writ petition with all the annexures and any other documents in support of his claim before the PCCF, along with a certified copy of this order.
Lordship, here respondent number 8, Finance Department is also there, Lordship.
What is your submission?
No, Lordship, here, since he's an employee and the records are with the Forest Department only, let them consider while considering the case of the petition, they will consult with the Finance Department.
Definitely.
Yes, so Lordship.
That goes without saying.
Yes, Lordship, my name may be recorded, I mean.
You say that
Yes.
instead of saying in a roundabout way that Mr. S. Chaliha, Learned,
A. Chaliha.
A. Chaliha, Learned Counsel,
For respondent number 8.
appears for the respondent number 8.
Lordship, I sincerely apologize to disturb the court at the moment. Item number 17, because of the heavy shower, Lordship, I could not reach in time. And it is dismissed 24.
Yes, you file application to restoration.
Lordship,
Shower is from the heaven, but you're carrying mobile. You could have called up anybody.
I tried, Lordship, I tried. But I tried, but they were engaged in somewhere.
We have already passed the order. What to do?
It is yet to be signed, Lordship. At the interest of
Don't
justice.
say
Lordship.
that.
And it is, I have also filed the affidavit in reply also. And it matter is listed on my request, my urgency, Lordship. It is not my fault that I could not
Have
come
you
in
taken the
time.
order? You're asking an unusual order from an unusual request from this court. Normally, you don't recall such kind of orders. Mr. Counsel.
Circumstances are unusual, Lordship, because of heavy shower. Lordship, will see the urgency, this matter is requested on my, listed on my request, and I have also filed the affidavit in reply, Lordship. There is a heavy shower, still my entire dress is wet, Lordship.
You file one application, Mr. Counsel. All right. File an application.
May please, Lords.
Yes.
Matter pertains to my lord, regulation of service of the petitioner, my lord. The respondent from my lord, August 2023, my lord, taking time for my lord. For instruction, my lord, why my lord?
Inspection, my lord, the department has already passed an order, my lord, a communication and communicate to the petitioner also, my lord. That is marked here, my lord. It's rejected on the ground of that Upendas regularization part, my lord. I don't know how far. চ্যালেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব বুজি পালে এই না রিগ্রেট কৰিছে
You're claiming what? Regularization?
My lord. And also my lord, promotion to the next higher post, my lord.
What are you?
My lord, I am appointed as my lord, section assistant in the year 1994, my lord.
Work charge.
Work charge.
My lord.
But where's the scope of regularization now after Upendas?
My lord, that is what the department has, my lord, passed an order. I just wrote to him and it is communicated. It's marked to him also that the department is rejected. If now he has to challenge this communication, my lord, that once it is rejected, his claim of regularization referring
Both of you will pass documents at your level and you'll keep the court at the dark.
No, my lord. No, my
Then
lord.
I am not submitting any document. He is submitting, my lord.
This is the document, my lord. I asked him whether he has received it or not, because it is marked to him also, my lord. So
what do you want to do?
My case is, my lord, page 32, my lord. Kindly peruse page 32, my lord.
No, despite having seen the document, you still want to peruse your case.
My lord.
Page 32.
Page 32, my lord. How I am entitled, my lord. The executive engineer, my lord, wrote a letter to the principal secretary, my lord, regarding regulation service of the petitioner, my lord. Page 32. Thereafter, the principal secretary wrote a letter to the executive engineer, my lord, seeking some clarification. That was dated 3rd of February 2022, my lord. Since, my lord, no action has been taken thereafter, my lord, this writ petition has been filed. And now, my lord, the respondent says, my lord, my case has been considered and rejected. Let me take instruction from my client, my lord.
it is marked to him also. His name is there, my lord, in the bottom.
Mr. Ardhar, learned counsel, paying for the
My lord, PWD.
PWD, submits that the respondent authorities have taken a decision regarding the claim of the petitioner for regularization, and the same has been communicated to him.
If he doesn't have, my lord, I will give him a copy, my lord, to my friend, my lord.
Provide letter dated 18/12/2023, rejecting his claim. Stop Mr. P.J. Cycle, learned counsel, for the petitioner submits that he may be given some time to obtain instructions from his client. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for
1 week.
1 week, 1 week.
1 month.
1 week.
1 week. Adjourned for a week.
Obligable.
Termination of contractual workers, my lord. Last order may be seen, my lord.
Yes, division bench.
Yes, my lord.
What has happened to
Order
that
not
case?
yet online, my lord.
Sorry?
Not yet available, my lord. Division bench order.
What was the issue otherwise?
Issue is, my lord, whether the termination order of the petitioners are stigmatic or not.
Are?
Stigmatic or not, my lord.
Stigmatic.
Yes. As per them, the orders are stigmatic. Therefore,
The one natural justice, my lord.
And what was pending before the division
That
bench?
same, my lord, one case was dismissed. You know, that was, appeal was filed, my lord, and the final order was.
My lord, basically, my lord, there was no conflicting opinions. In one case, they allowed the learned single judge allowed the writ petition, and two weeks thereafter, my lord, he dismissed another writ petition, the same judge. And therefore, my lord, another coordinate bench has said that the judgment rendered in Jan Chokia was per incuriam. And therefore, they went for the division bench, and the honorable division bench had verbally remanded the matter back to the learned single judge. But then, my lord, that order is not uploaded as of date.
Remanded back.
It was remanded back verbally, but then that order is not uploaded, my lord. So therefore, my lord, this
We are
matters-
waiting for that order. My
My lord,
So when?
my lord,
Maybe
When?
after vacation, my lord.
Well, item 34, my case is entirely different. That may be untagged, my lordship, because my contention is entirely different. Item 34.
At your request, we'll untag it.
Yes.
But if it's tagged again, then you'll have to pay cost.
I have not tagged it. They have tagged it, my lord.
Okay.
But my argument is different.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that the order passed by the division bench on the subject matter is yet to be uploaded, and therefore the matter may be adjourned and be listed again after the puja vacation. You are Mr.
SB Lashkar. Item
Mr.
34.
SB Lashkar, learned counsel appearing for WPC number, for the petitioner in WPC number 5175/2023 submits that the case of the petitioner is entirely different and it should be untagged with these bunch of cases, THESE. In view of above, WPC number so and so be untagged from these bunch of cases. And the remaining cases be listed again after the puja vacation.
Before vacation, it may be given. Because 3 months back, the hearing was completed.
When do you want it then?
Lordship, date may not be fixed, they can mention, my lord.
Yeah, after vacation.
They can mention, my lord.
On 30th.
Date may not be fixed.
27, my.
Why are you against fixing of date?
My lord, I'm not afraid of, my lord, but I'm saying that they can mention if matter will be
That
available.
can mention definitely,
Yes.
but we can also fix
Will
date
not
now.
oppose, will not oppose, my lord.
When do you want it?
Any hearing date subject to your lordship's convenience, my lord. Any hearing date. Or your lordship can fix it immediately after the vacation.
I think that's better.
22nd, my lord.
22nd. List the matter again on 22nd.
Obliged.
My lord, in my case, my lordship, same date or different. My separate date may be given out. Only one matter, single matter, my lordship. Take
When
5
do you want it? When do you want it?
Any date before vacation, because it is a very small issue, my lordship. 27 minutes.
WPC number 5175/2023 as paid for be listed on 27th of September 2020. Okay.
Highly obliged.
I'll come back in 5 minutes.
I wanted it after the vacation, but that will be difficult. Now, I have urgency. He said, let it be after 2 weeks. Let it be on 24th. 24th, my lord, it's a Tuesday.
As agreed to by the parties, list the matter again on 24th
Lordship, there's an
of
interim.
September 2024.
24th September. 24th
Till
September.
then, the interim order parcel shall continue.
Till the next date of listing. Much obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Need please, your lordship.
Yes.
Petitioner before your lordship is a pastoral employee and he had served before the office for a period of more than 27 years, so 29 years, 7 months. And thereafter on FIR was lodged against him. Subsequently, after getting the bail order from the honorable court below, he has, when he went to join his service, the respondent authority has not allowed him to join his service. Very surprisingly, your lordship, in the reply affidavit filed by the respondent authority, in page 52, they have, in paragraph 4, they have stated that in the meantime, petitioner said, and after getting bail, the petitioner has irregularly attained the office, has
petitioner, after getting the bail order, the petitioner has irregularly attended the office of the respondent authority. My limited prayer for this honorable court is that let me do my service regularly. Lord. So I will apply, I may be allowed to sign my, because they have not, and my representations are also not.
You're working under which establishment? Where are you working?
Under the establishment of Jyoti Cultural Development Department of Jyoti Bharati, Tezpur.
Tezpur.
Yes.
Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, we have a very limited stand in this particular matter. If your lordship peruses to affidavit, and more particularly paragraph number 4, if I have to just read it out. I don't know on what basis basically this particular writ petition arises, but he is simply a muster roll library attendant. So on that basis itself, he was simply let go. He was arrested. He was released on bail, of course. Then by that time, he was simply let go. He, as such, he is stating that neither suspension order was issued. It need not be. He is a muster roll worker. And neither dismissal proceedings were started for his dismissal. Need not required.
Paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4, your lordship. The deponent begs to state that the petitioner joined in service on 16/3/1992 as library attendant master roll and continued till 15/11/2021, and then he urged for earned leave from 16/11 to 30/11 due to medical emergency. In the meantime, the petitioner was arrested. After getting bail. He irregularly attends the office. Thereafter, next page, para 6. That with regard to statements made in para 7 of the writ petition, the answering deponent begs to state that the petitioner is informed that his arrest through his letter dated so and so to Jyoti Bharati. Further, he informed the authority about his bail on so and so on 2/7/2022. Then next paragraph, that with regard statement made in paragraph 8 of the writ petition, the answering deponent begs to state that the cultural development officer of Jyoti Bharati was not directed to do so as the petitioner was a muster roll employee only. Now, if you may go to paragraph number 8 of the writ petition, what he has stated in that writ petition. The petitioner begs to state at page number 10 of the writ petition, paragraph number 8. Petitioner begs to state that when the petitioner went to the office and approached the officer in charge, Jyoti Bharati, to allow him to join his post, he was not allowed to join, in spite of the order of bail dated was produced to him. So it was not necessary for him to allow him to join. He is a master roll employee. He doesn't have any indefeasible right to be appointed to a particular post, to be reappointed if suppose he is dismissed. He is simply dismissed. What right does he have to again be appointed? Can he approach this court? Can he approach this court with a prayer for mandamus? That is his prayer.
The muster roll employment is normally done by way of an engagement card.
He was engaged, Your Lordship.
For a specific period of time. Where is your engagement card?
Lordship will find that in page 20 and type copy is at page 19, Lordship.
This is 92.
Sorry, Lordship.
Your latest engagement.
Lordship, till that day, I am continuing service, Lordship.
On what basis?
On what basis? As a master roll worker.
No, I already told you, if you are a master roll employee, normally they issue engagement cards. And there are artificial breaks also in between.
And Lordship,
isn't it?
Yes.
The engagement card you showed me is of the year 1992.
Yes. And in their reply brief also, Lordship, they have
And one more thing, if you see the affidavit, paragraph 6, they say that you've informed about your bail only on 2nd July.
Before that also I have submitted my representations which are annexed with my petition also.
No, your statement doesn't say so. He was not allowed to join the post in spite of the order of bail dated 11/3/2022 was produced to him. You have not mentioned when it was produced. Respondents have mentioned it on 7th July, I mean, the month of July, 2nd July.
Lordship, may peruse my representation.
So after getting bail in the month of March, April, May, June, July, 4 months, what were you doing?
Lordship, peruse my Annexure 6, page 36, where also I have stated that regarding the salary, Lordship, in that case, Lordship, 1 week time may be granted. I will obtain in instruction from my client with regard to the engagement card and representation, Lordship.
Okay, after 1 week. Please write down. Parties are represented by the respective counsels. Stop. Case of the petitioner is that he has been engaged on muster roll basis as, what is that?
Library assistant.
Library assistant under the establishment of respondent number 3. When were you arrested? In connection with what case?
In connection with
The petitioner was arrested
on
in connection with FIR dated 8/11/2021. No, how many FIRs?
Lordship, one FIR was filed by me prior to the FIR which based on which I was arrested. One FIR was filed by me, and subsequently another FIR was filed against me. For in that FIR I was arrested, Lordship.
What is the FIR about?
FIR is about, Lordship, that I have lodged an FIR that one person has took some money from me and trained my son and my nephew to get enroll in civil service under the
And there that the other FIR?
Yes, other subsequently the lady also took money from some other persons, and later on she fled away. So for that, the other persons has lost the FIR against me, stating that I am involved with that person, and that FIR is clear that they have sent the money to the bank account of that lady.
Please write down what did I say? Stop. He had also filed an FIR on 10/10/2021 before the officer in charge, Tezpur Police Station, alleging fraud committed upon him. The petitioner was subsequently released on
bail order to keep notice.
11/3/2022. And when he went to join back in the establishment of respondent number 3, he was not allowed to do so. As such, he is before this court. The petitioner admittedly is a muster roll employee, and on being asked about the engagement card, the last engagement card given to him by the authority concerned, the learned counsel submits that he needs to take some instructions from his client. In view of above and as paid for, how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time is granted to enable him to obtain necessary instructions. List again after 2 weeks.
All right.
May it please your lordships. The matter relates to the regularization of the service of the petition.
May I please your lordship? I will be allowed to file affidavit in this case, my lord.
You have received instruction?
Yes, ma'am.
How much time?
2 weeks.
The date may kindly be fixed.
Counsel for the respondent submits that she has received instructions and prays for 2 weeks' time to file the counter affidavit. You have above. This is the matter again on 2 weeks.
The date may kindly be fixed, my lord.
310.
The date, my lord.
310.
310. 310.
3rd October 2024. Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime.
Please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner is deprived of getting the, my lord, seniority.
Deprived of?
Deprived of getting seniority, my lord. About the, my lord, private respondent number 6 and 7.
In what post?
My lord, the junior assistant.
Junior?
Junior assistant.
Assistant.
My lord, kindly see, earlier the written exam, my lord, kindly see the page, my lord, the 31.
May I please, your lordship? So I am appearing for respondent number 6, lordship. I am filing our column number today itself, lordship.
Okay.
2 weeks time may be given to file.
We'll grant you time. Let him complete his sentence.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, page 31.
31.
31. 31. My lord.
What is this?
This is the, my lord, marks of the, my lord, written examination, my lord. Petitioner was earlier deprived of her appointment, my lord. Because, my lord, by giving low marks, then the, my lord, the, my lord, private respondent, my lord.
By filing this writ petition, please write down. The petitioner claims his seniority in the post of junior assistant over the respondent number 6 and 7. You have for 6.
That's it.
What about 7?
Service
No one.
report completed.
What is your basis of your seniority you're claiming?
My
On
lord,
what basis?
the petitioner is the higher in the, my lord, merit list. But she was deprived by getting lower marks than the, my lord, respondent number 6 and 7. Accordingly, her appointment was not made and the private respondent were appointed. Then said selection was challenged before the honorable court. During the proceeding, my lord, the authority admitted the, my lord, the error in the assessing of marks to the, my lord, petitioner. And during the proceeding, they reassessed the mark and petitioner were appointed in a resultant vacancy. Ultimately, the petition was closed. But regarding the, my lord, seniority, since the petitioner is the higher in the merit list in the, my lord, private respondent number 6 and 7. So, my lord, she claims seniority over the.
This is the second round.
My lord, second round, my lord.
What did I say? Please. On the basis of the merit list, since he was found to be higher on merit, department who's appearing?
I'm appearing, your lordship.
What is your submission?
But no. As petitioner has not challenged it earlier, my lord. She has been appointed in 2014, my lord. And since then, she has not challenged the order.
Are you going to file your affidavit or not?
Yes, I am.
When will you file?
Within 3 months.
Court has to request you to file affidavit. Miss, your good name?
D. Datta.
D.
D. Datta.
Miss D. Datta, learned counsel, submits that she has instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 6, and that she may be given some time to file her power as well as the counter affidavit. Stop similar prayers made by learned counsel appearing for the department. In view of above, the matter stands adjourned for 3 weeks. Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime. None appears for respondent number 7, though service was deemed complete. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Me, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I have been serving as a manager, grade 4, in the electrical department of DCPL since 8/1/2015. Now thereafter, the DCPL, various DPCs right from 2015 to 2022 have been promoting my juniors, and due to that, they have superseded me. So that is my grievance. Your Lordship may come to page 45 of my writ petition.
Page number?
45. Their serial number 3 and 8. Imdadul Haq and Santanu Kumar Borua. They are the respondents 4 and 5 herein. So Your Lordship may kindly notice that this DPC was conducted on 6/2/2016. However, this was given effect to on 1/4/2015. So this is retrospective in nature. Otherwise, also this is illegal, which has been held by the Apex.
Who are these two persons?
They are the private respondents.
They are junior to you?
Yes, they were junior
Lordship,
to me
if
on the
factually
date of my
Lordship,
appointment.
incorrect. Lordship, factually incorrect. Lordship, I seek some time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
You have not filed affidavit?
Lordship, I seek some more time, Lordship. Your
Who-
Lordship, they
who has filed
challenged
affidavit?
DPC from 2015-16 onwards. So Lordship will take me
You
some
represent
time.
which respondent?
Lordship, 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Lordship, for BCPL, Lordship.
Lordship, let them show how that is actually
Lordship, we
correct.
will file an affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, because they are challenging DPC ranging way back to 2015, Lordship. So Lordship is taking some time for us to retrieve the documents, Lordship. Lordship may kindly have order dated 12/8.
Government of India Enterprise, Brahmaputra Cracker.
Lordship.
Thereafter, the subsequent DPCs also we have challenged here.
Now,
2020.
there are how many respondents, private respondents?
5 respondents, Lordship.
4, 5, 6,
No,
7.
7 respondents.
4,
No,
5,
private
6.
respondents.
Lordship.
Yes.
There are 4 private respondents.
Yes.
From 4 to 7, Lordship.
All of them are your juniors.
Yes.
You are holding which post?
E4, I was holding on 8/1/2015.
E4 means?
This is an executive post. E4 is the grade, and I'm the manager.
Under this 2 and 3.
Yes, under 2 and 3, DCPL.
Lordship, 3 and 4 and 5, Lordship, so far as my instructions are concerned, 4 and 5 had joined way back in 2013, Lordship.
Okay.
Respondent number 4 and 5.
They have not come forward.
No, Lordship, not yet.
Was service is complete or not?
Lordship, service
Is
completed.
complete.
Parties are represented by their respective councils, except for the private respondent numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7. Counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3 submits that he may be granted
4
some more time.
4 weeks, Lordship. 4 weeks.
May be granted some more time to file counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, as per the last order also, 12/8/2024, they were granted 3 weeks time to file their affidavit. So this time they may be given a last opportunity.
Somebody had appeared last time. S. Mitra.
Lordship, we had appeared for respondent number 2 and 3.
No, 3 and 4 also.
Uh,
I mean, so 4 and 3.
That was wrongly recorded, Lordship. The order date 27/5.
So otherwise, no one had
Private
appeared.
respondents haven't entered in appearance here, Lordship.
Then regarding notice,
It has been served,
Your
Lordship.
regarding
Mechanical
respondent file, the notice was served through Dusty. And the office note dated the Lozima order dated 22/5/2024. That shows that 4, 6 and 7 has been served.
Lawazima court's order dated
22/5/2024.
as paid for 4 weeks time is granted to the official respondents for filing counter affidavit. Registry shall put up a note regarding service of notice upon the private respondents.
Your Lordship, a date may be given, Your Lordship.
1 month. This is the matter again on what?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Just a minute. 23rd October.
May I please,
Yes.
Your Lordship? Lordship, we need some time to obtain instruction, Lordship. I am appearing for Health Department on behalf of Mr. D.P. Bora, Lordship.
Yes, what instructions?
Lordship, from the department, as
Maybe
per direction
the
of
counter affidavit.
Why don't you file a counter affidavit?
we need some time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
How much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
What is this ex parte inquiry?
Yes, my lord.
As paid for by the learned counsel for the health department. Further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit.
Along with the call for the record.
List again after 3 weeks. Let them file first.
My lord.
God bless you.
May I please, Your Lordship? Matter pertains to minimum scale of pay, my lord, releases. Petitioners workings, since March 2013 to till date, my lord, as a sweeper, my lord, in the respondents department continuously.
Here we have filed affidavit. The finance also has a say in this particular matter. In fact, finance is the main say. more
Kindly
than
see, my lord, last order, my lord, 37/2024.
Otherwise, we have filed the affidavit, we have taken a stand. They have not filed any reply to our affidavit in opposition. Perhaps they might, because we have taken a very contrary stand to what they are stating in their affidavit, in their writ petition.
My lord, I have already filed additional affidavit, my lord, by elaborating all the details, my lord.
Okay, that is it.
Petitioner is working as sweeper
Yes, my lord.
under the sports and youths.
Yes, my lord. Last more than 11 years, my lord. Continuous.
Which particular respondent?
My lord, Director of Sports.
Under 4, respondent number 4.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, here, Lordship, I seek 4 weeks time, Lordship, to file our affidavit, Lordship. We were directed to file an affidavit. We have inadvertently missed out, Lordship, as per the last order, Lordship. Lordship may grant us 4 weeks time, our affidavit will be required in this matter, Lordship.
Every time you take time, the number of weeks you're taking is increasing.
Lordship, this is last opportunity. We inadvertently we missed out, Lordship.
Last chance.
Last.
Mr. Bora also?
We have filed affidavit
You have
on
filed.
29/7/2000.
Okay, as paid for by the
On behalf-
Mr. A. Chalia, Learned Standing Counsel Finance Department. Further 4 weeks time is granted for filing counter affidavit as a last chance. Please the matter again. On.
After vacation, Lordship,
Give a date after vacation. 28/10. Yes. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Matter is of the year 2016. And it is seen that the petitioner has not taken further steps in the matter. Admittedly, the contempt petition admittedly, the issue raised is no longer alive. Be it that as it may, the matter stands dismissed for default. All right. Anything left in this case?
I believe not, but then I also don't have the instructions because I appear only for the principal here. Some arrears of salary and gratuity was to be paid. In 2016-17 itself, the proposal was sent. Thereafter, the state government was to sanction it. I believe it is done, but then I don't also have the positive instruction on this regard.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel, appears for respondent number
3.
3.
Sorry, it should stand corrected as 4.
Respondent number 4. Which is the order not complied with?
So the contempt is 3, my lord. In the writ petition, we were 4. That there was a correction made. And so
we are dealing with contempt.
Contempt, I am, my lord, respondent number 3.
Writ petition is not before this court. This is the contempt.
My lord. Contempt, my lord, the respondent number is 3.
3. Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel, appears for respondent number 3. Then which is the order not complied with? Is it page 33?
My lord.
So many orders. How can that be?
My lord, the contempt was once closed and thereafter again a second contempt was filed.
And submits continue and submits that since the matter has been listed after a long time, you may be given some time to obtain necessary instructions in the matter. In view of list the matter again after 2 weeks. You just find out what has happened and get back to the
contact the petitioner.
Yes.
Also. The petitioner is also a lawyer, my lord. It's the talukdar. But then he was also a teacher in the government law college.
I see.
I tried to contact him, my lord. Probably he will give the instruction.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay, guys.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Matters of the year 2016. And it is seen that the petitioner has failed to take appropriate steps in the matter. To stop it, therefore, appears that the issue is no longer alive. Be that as it may, the matter stands dismissed for default.
We tried to establish communication with the clients, but we failed, Lordship.
You want some time?
Yes, Lordship, because otherwise the I for impleadment was also ready.
Why have you not taken steps
Lordship, because
to get the matter listed all these years?
Lordship, the incumbents changed, and I was also prepared for impleading the new incumbents, Lordship. But then we lost communication with the clients, Lordship. So,
Mr. MP Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he's not in touch with his clients and therefore prays that he may be given 2 weeks time to seek instructions. As paid for, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, what is this? This is WPC
Yes, my lord.
2017.
My lord, PDP was ready, my lord. I thought, my lord, it was already filed. But I have just checked the website, my lord, but it's not showing, my lord. So I have to verify whether it's filed or not, my lord.
It's not filed, otherwise it will
Yes,
be available in the
maybe
file.
because of the some numbers of pages are there, eligible pages, my lord. So I think.
How much time?
Within 2 weeks, we will. verify.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel, appears for the respondent,
PNRD department.
PNRD department, and prays for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Prayers allowed. List again after the vacation.
Obliged.
Yes.
This case also we have record and review lordship.
Hmm?
We have review agent file lordship in this.
Review?
Review lordship. Time may be given lordship.
Do you have the number?
Lordship, in fact, the serial number I have lordship.
When did you file the review?
I have filed it on 31st of August. 31st.
This year?
This year.
31st of August.
Lordship. I have instruction to file lordship. I have filed.
What is the order not complied with?
My lord. But my lord.
Order dated 7/1/21.
Yes.
Correct? Operative portion.
Operative portion is, my lord, it's 10, page 10.
Yes.
Second paragraph onwards, my lord.
Upon instructions obtained, Mr. So-and-so claims the petition claims is correct.
That is the thing, lordship.
That is date of birth,
I have
entered in the service. record
67.
is-
However, the error occurred due to incorrect record in
Lordship, his date of birth has been recorded in the service book and
as
in the service book 67, lordship.
Service book was 67.
1167.
Lordship, but in the
Correct date of birth?
correct date of birth is lordship, neither the petitioner can say, nor the department can say, lordship. Now, what happened, lordship? We inquired about the school from where he has collected the lordship birth certificate, lordship, the certificate, lordship. The
Birth certificate showing which date as the date of birth?
there is nothing, lordship. No year has been, lordship.
School authority.
Then what is the what?
No, my lord. What happens in this case, my lord?
If
Earlier
birth
this-
certificate does not have the date of birth, then it is not a birth certificate. It is nothing.
I can
School
show, lordship.
certificate was school certificate. On the basis of the school certificate, my lord, the service book was the age, date of birth was recorded in the service book on the basis of the school certificate. Thereafter, my lord, their communication between the office from the executive engineer to the government of Assam,
Lordship,
there was error apparent. My lord, that is why, my lord, we have filed this writ petition, and on this writ petition, my lord, this
we
order
wrote
was
to the
passed.
school
And
inspector,
they
then
produced the
school
service
inspector
book, my
wrote,
lord.
we wrote to the.
See, simultaneously, both of you don't submit. Okay.
Lord.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
It's difficult to understand.
Sure.
See, I'm just trying to understand what the case is about. Now, as per the single writ code, what was the direction?
Direction was, my lord, to allow him to continue in service, my lord, till the date of retirement as per his date of birth.
As per the entry in the date of entry in his service book.
Yes.
That is 1167.
Yes,
Correct. Now,
that means he will retire in 37.
so if that is entered in your service book, what is the controversy now?
They have created the controversy, my lord.
How?
My lord, correspondence from the executive engineer office to the government of Assam, while his service was regularized, that correspondence incorporated some different.
According to them, your date of birth is what?
According to the, this is the, my lord,
No,
1167.
Regulation.
No,
Regulation was different, my lord. Regulation different.
Controversies regarding date of birth.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the contention for one party
According
and what is the contention of the other party?
according to them, my lord, my date of birth is, my lord, 60, that is 62. 62.
1962. Where is that shown?
They have given me retirement in earlier months. But then I don't have the repetition, copy of the repetition. Yes, yes, yes.
So we post it again after some time.
Lots.
He was released from service from with effect from my lord 2/11/2018. Thereafter, order was passed by this honorable court. After failing the
As on today, you are still released, isn't it?
Yes,
You,
Lord.
you have not come back.
No, ma'am.
And review is filed on what basis?
Lordship, review is filed, Lordship, on the basis of that, Lordship, that any certificate is produced before the authority, Lordship, when the, which was, Lordship, as per which the date of birth was recorded in the service book, the very certificate was a forged certificate, Lordship. Forged one, Lordship.
Forged one.
Forged one, Lordship.
So that you do not discover when the writ petition was taken up?
No, Lordship. It was, Lordship, later on it was come to light, Lordship.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, is it?
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the respondent.
Lordship, 1 and 2.
Yes.
Irrigation Department submits that a review petition has been filed seeking review of the order dated 7/1/2021 passed in WPC number 602 of 2020, and he therefore prays for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time. To come back with the status of the review petition.
Let it come after vacation, Lordship.
In view of above, list the matter again. When?
After
vacation.
After the vacation.
Lordship. Oblige, Lord.
Oblige. Very pleased, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, a number of times they have taken time to file a affidavit, Lordship. Matter is pertaining to promotion, is seeking, petitioner is seeking promotion from grade 4 to grade 3, Lordship. So, Lordship, they have taken time, Lordship, several times, Lordship, for filing affidavit, Lordship.
My lord, I have received the instruction, last sons may be given, my lord.
Lordship, that has been repeated again and again, Lordship.
Your last sons may be given, my lord. I have received the instruction, my lord.
What about respondent number 7?
Lordship, service is complete, Lordship.
As per the Lawazima code. Why have you impleaded respondent number 7?
Lordship, he is earlier he worked under that Madhupur Ansali Panchayat block, Lordship.
As per the Lawazima court order dated 13/8/2024. Service report of notice issued to the respondent number 7 by usual process has returned back, and therefore the service is said to have been complete on respondent number 7. Stop. In view of above, the notice upon respondent number 7 is accepted to be complete. Next para. As per court's order dated 28/4/2023. 3 weeks time was granted to the respondents for filing counter affidavit in view of the instructions said to have been received. To stop, however, the affidavit has not been filed. Said respondent. No? After respondent, you write respondent number 1, 2, and 5. Today, Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel, appearing for the PNRD,
Yes, my lord.
prays for the 3 weeks time.
My lord.
Stop, having regard to the order passed on 28/4/2023. 3 weeks time is granted as a last chance. List again after.
Any date, my lord, about immediately after vacation.
3rd of October. List again on 3rd of October, 2024.
My lord. All right.
Maybe the lawsuit, I am on behalf of Mr. Jay Kolita. So he leave due to some personal difficulty. So lawsuit, adjournment of 40 days. I am on behalf of Mr. Jay Kolita. Leave due to some personal.
J. Kolita is for which?
He is for the petitioner in item number 9.
9.
Item number 9.
Can it be only 40 day lawsuit?
A prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. J. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 314 of 2021. Please read the sentence. Obviously. For adjourning the matter for the day.
Next thing also any date lawsuit.
Mr. D. Nath, learned state counsel, submits that the writ petition is WPC number 314 of 2021 is connected to review petition number 136 of 2023. And that both the matters may be taken up together. In view of above, list the matter again.
Next thing also any date on 16.
Mr. Nath?
Lodge.
On 16th of September 2024.
Lodge.
Along with WPC number 314 of 2021. A copy, it will go in both the same order in both the thing. Make it a common order. Yes.
May I prevail? But as per Lozima Court's order, my lord, I need to take steps on respondent number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 has been charged, my lord. 5 is that I may be given 2 days time to, my lord, take fresh steps on respondent number 5.
As prayed for, petitioner is granted further
2 days time.
2 days time to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7.
5. Respondent number 5.
Oh, sorry, respondent number 5.
5.
By registered post?
By registered post.
With AD due. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
Lodge.
In which case? I think no order is required.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this is regarding my lord, non-payment of my lord pensionary benefits. Now, Lordship will find, my lord, the additional affidavit filed by us at page 50. Lordship will find there is some report, page 50. In the additional affidavit filed by us, my lord, dated 14/3/2024.
Yes.
Yes. Now, here Lordship will find page 50, paragraph 4, my lord. May I read, my lord?
What is the matter about?
This is regarding my lord, pension.
Pension.
Yes. Now, petitioner is the my lord, third wife. The first and second wife, my lord, died.
And the husband was working as?
My lord, army. Sepoy.
Sepoy.
Yes.
First and second wife died.
Died. Now, only surviving wife, my lord, the petitioner, who has been, my lord, deprived. Page 50, Lordship will find paragraph 4.
Petitioner was married to the Sepoy when? After retirement?
No, before retirement.
And his name, her name is included in the service book?
Service book, her name is not included.
Not included. Then?
Not included.
How will you get pension then?
Now, my lord, page 22 in the writ petition, Lordship will find next of kin certificate, page 22.
Yes.
Page
No,
23.
Have you approached the army authorities?
My lord.
Have you approached the army authorities?
She approached, my lord.
Then? What
She
happened?
approached, my lord, no response was given. That is why, my lord, the present writ petition has been filed.
Have you filed affidavit?
Lordship, it has sent for vetting.
You have sent for vetting. So when will you file?
So 2 weeks time may be given.
What is your stand in the affidavit?
So we'll have
You don't know.
instruction.
No, if you send the affidavit for vetting, you must be knowing the contents of the affidavit, isn't it?
My lord,
What is your
occasions, my
stand?
lord, last several occasions, my lord, took time to file affidavit. Since 2018, my lord, pension is, my lord, stopped after the death of the husband of the petitioner.
This petition was filed in 23.
Yes. Now, page 50 in the additional.
The employee, the Sepoy, when did he retire?
He retired, my lord.
He died only after retirement.
Yes, after retirement.
After retirement, he was getting pension.
My lord. After retirement, the petitioner has been stopped, the pensionary benefit. So after that.
No, question is when did he get married to the first wife, second wife, then third wife?
Yes.
That was after his retirement.
The marriage with the, my lord, petitioner.
You're not also ready. As paid for
My
by
lord,
the learned CGC, further 3 weeks time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks.
My lord,
Let them file.
let date may be, my lord, given.
As paid for list again on 4th of October.
4th of October. Obliged.
Ask call one more.
My lord, my senior is in Laxin court number 7. Kindly this matter may be taken up after some time.
My lord, here we'll need further some time. We are yet to receive instructions, my lord. Unless we receive instructions, my lord, we need to file affidavit.
Kindly, my lord.
What is the matter about?
About appointment. Kindly
About
take-
appointment? What appointment? Why are you not aware about it? You should familiarize yourself with the facts at least.
Kindly given up after some time.
Hmm?
My lord, kindly given up after some time.
Okay, we'll take it up at 2.
founding.